Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic conditions that actually block sign-in, update the device, and ensure reliable network access. Once done, make sure you know the Apple ID email and a trusted phone number on file. You'll need them for verification. Next, disable VPN and set date and time to automatic. This prevents server mismatch. Finally, reboot the device so cached credentials clear. These first steps remove common authentication hurdles and prepare you to run the account recovery flow without distraction. You will now execute the recovery procedure that resets the authentication path. Open Settings and tap Sign In, or use a browser to reach the recovery page. Enter the exact Apple ID email. Choose Forgot Apple ID or password, and then request account recovery if two-factor is unavailable. You'll confirm control using the trusted phone number or a recovery key. When prompted, enter the code immediately. Keep the original device nearby, because Apple can send approval requests. This is how you prove ownership and regain. You finish by creating a strong new password and updating trusted devices and phone numbers so this doesn't recur. Sign back into iCloud, reauthorize purchases and apps, and restart services that used your Apple ID. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for future safety. If something goes wrong, no recovery code, approval not arriving, try the recovery flow from another Apple device owned by you, or initiate a support request directly with Apple support using the recovery ID. That troubleshooting step resolves almost every stubborn case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.